Alrighty, what's good YouTube? Welcome to today's trade recap. I ended up losing £200 today, so 1% on the day, which is all good. We had a winning streak last week, so that's understandable. Let's go over my trade then, shall we? So, during Asia session, we fell quite far. So, in my mind, I'm hoping for shorts, but I'm also looking for potential longs because we need a retrace. But the main bias is short. This wick here is a liquidity sweep of lows all the way on the left, but I'm not going to scroll over and mark that out because it took me ages to find it. Anyway, let's mark out our gaps. So we have this hourly FVG, bearish gap, and we have one above it, but I wasn't going to mark it out unless we invalidated this one. So let's go onto the 5-minute time frame and see what happened at market open. Also, my two trade ideas going into the day, sorry I forgot to mention this, was either longs from the equilibrium of this leg up and then target the midpoint of this gap with stops around about here for like a 1 to 3, or we take shorts from anywhere in this gap, target these lows, stops around about the high. So yeah, that was the two trades that I was considering. So let's go into market open. There we go. So we've just lagged up into the gap. So at that point, I'm going to scale onto the 1-minute time frame, and I'm looking for any kind of IFVG. So we formed this bullish FVG. So if we can get an inverse, then we're going to be looking to take a trade. And there we go, nice displacement candle, our inverse fair value gap as well. We entered here, we had our stops at, I think originally they were supposed to be here, but my entry was a little better. So my stops ended up being around about here, I believe. And then we had take profit set at these lows here, with a break-even point marked out there. So let's take this trade. Hold up. By the way, the risk on this is completely wrong. I'm just marking this out for pure entertainment. Okay. Not looking too hard, but quite big bearish candles, quite big bullish candles, kind of just fucking around. Seeing if this gap can hold or not. And there we go. Stop loss hit. But as of this time of recording, it is still in the gap. I'll put up a screenshot. So we will see whether or not we actually do push down to TP and my idea was right, or I was just a bit early. But nevertheless, losses are expected. They're part of the probability of trading. So I'm happy with it. I'm not angry. It's all good. Thanks for watching. Come back to the next trade recap. Hopefully I catch a banger because I'm looking to get a payout this week.